This is machine number 2. Keep the floor pretty clean. I actually keep the equipment pretty clean if you want to know the truth about it, because I like a clean shop. So there you go. We're cutting some aluminum blocks. You can see it's clean in there. And I'm not doing this because to give you a show. This is really everything is pretty decent. There you go. I bought a huge tub of that 5 gallon of that grease. So I do keep those maintenance. You keep those filled out pretty nicely. So yeah, I don't know why that's open, but I've seen worse. But yeah, there you go. And I haven't had a single alarm since we replaced both of those motors too. So just to give you a heads up on that, you know, no alarms. Been running really good. Starts up every single morning. I mean, you'll be able to see the alarm list, which there shouldn't be one, but there you go. All right, that's your 2 minutes. Thanks.